Permanent ecstasy. The ladies is pimps tonight.
Your destination is on the left.
Alright, so just let me know when you're here. Okay. Oh, she's here.
Hello, look who's here with his DJI. Hindi pupunta si Jessa.
Hindi daw. Work daw siya till 6:30.
Si Jessa.
Ah.
Si Joyce.
Si Joyce niya. Tayo lang. Calvin, ikaw ako. Si Mateo. Mateo, pauwi pa lang po.
Nah, Mike,
Password? Yeah.
Thanks, Matthew.
Ang tayo, mate.
Ay,
I'm so proud of you.
This sticky date, that's souffle. That's pavlova.
souffle.
That's souffle. Well, this sticky date, I know that.
I think,
That's
I don't know.
What is this? Sticky date?
Sticky date.
It's like banana bread.
Ito yung lemon.
Souffle, with that souffle here now.
Ito yung pudding.
Ito ata yung pudding. Ay,
Yun yung chocolate. Ito yung pudding.
Yeah, that sounds good.
when people are taking videos, they put it together. So I get photos.
It's gelato.
Especially the ones doing makeup, reviews and shit. Yeah.
Baby donut.
Oh,
Masarap to?
yeah.
I like the two
This one.
Yeah.
I feel like I need one more.
That middle. And with the gelato, that's sweet too.
Nagdat ko yun. Chocolate.
So ako yun. Binigyan sa menu eh.
This it. I'm done.
Pork. We did like a focaccia ice cream. It's really good. A focaccia ice cream. Sorry, Mateo.
That's nice. What's wrong with that?
Whose idea was it?
Our boss.
Is that the chicken tiramisu? Alright. Which one y'all like the best?
I like this one.
I like
This
the
one.
sticky day. The sticky day first, and then souffle, and then this.
Yeah.
This one, I like this one.
What's your order?
Ay, akala ko yun.
Because right Rachel?
Hi guys. Punta kami sa bahay ni Alfred.
Punta kami sa bahay mo.
Diba? My vlogger friend.
And we out here talking, eat good, souffle, sticky day, things like that. One time for Brody.
Subscribe to Alfred Barato's YouTube channel.
Link below.
It's a violin store, like a violin place.
Tell it to make the lunch.
So one yours and Jungtao.
I like that one. What's the name? The guy.
Chris Tucker and Jackie Chan.
With the first map.
He's like, you put your own shit.
No, like he thought he's not speaking English.
Oh yeah. You know I seen that movie Hola, ¿cómo estás? This your vlog, this your we had a blast today. Just want to let y'all know that we all about good food, good drinks, and good vibes. If you're not with that, get with that. One time for the Brody. I don't get, what was that?
degree
Uh,
to do what you do?
to do my job, you don't have to like also degree,
Yes.
but it's how can I say, you're not able to find like a job like this without one,
Yeah.
but it's not compulsory.
Yes. Yeah.
Because in order to practice this,
Hey Siri. What song is this?
Are you connected to it?
They'd be embarrassed if I said never made before.
Continue for 13 kilometers.